Hello and good morning, everybody. Good morning, Nikhil.
Good morning.
So I welcome you all on this bright Sunday morning. And when today, my dear friends, we are starting a new initiative in Pathik, and that is called the Pathik Tales. Now, in Pathik Tales, what are we going to do is this lockdown has been a difficult period for all of us. For some, it's been economic reasons. For some, it has been financial reasons. For others, it has been health. And if not anything else, it is all about coping up the change we have in our lives, get adapting to new things in our life. So life has been pretty challenging, and least I can say is at least interesting. So during these times, there have been some people who have really been hustling and working on their lives and creating some absolutely phenomenal results. So we thought it's time that we share these stories with you. And today we have amongst us one Pathik who has done something which is absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal more than in terms of achievements. Of course, there are amazing achievements, but it's about following a maxim which we all know, and it's very popular and it's very difficult to follow. So it says consistency can beat any talent in the world. It doesn't matter how talented you are. The greatest human virtue is being consistent with your efforts to achieve whatever that you want to achieve in life. And here we have a person who is a living example of what consistency can do. So I think without wasting any further time, let's jump into this interview and let's know more about how consistency can be manifested in real life. Nikhil, absolutely welcome. Uh, Rather than me introducing you, I would want you to introduce yourself to our audience. So, Nikhil, can you just proceed by introducing yourself?
Yeah, hi Samir, and hi all of your, and thank you for attending this seminar first. And I'm Nikhil Katkar, and currently I'm working as a software developer in Capgemini. Total around 6 years of experience I have in a Capgemini, is IT profession. From I'm a web developer, means web application development I have been doing from last 6 years. So this is my introduction.
You're basically a web developer and you have been in this profession for last 6 years. So, tell me something, Nikhil. What brought you to Pathik? Why did you feel you need a personal transformation program in your life? Why did you join Pathik? And when did you join Pathik for the first time?
Okay, so first it started when I passed the engineering and I didn't get a job for 2 years because I was looking for the career in a politics that time. And after that, I joined the Pathik. My one relative Kishori had registered, so I came to that other session, and I saw that session and I found it out that it can be useful for myself in a politics only. So I joined for that purpose. But after coming, and after joining here, so Samir said me, leave that thought of the doing your politics and start your career in the IT industry. So I started my doing the career in IT industry. That time I had one job which is 10,000 salary per month, and that salary were also getting 3 months. Three months it was a waiting period for that salary. But after joining within that course only, I got a new job, and after that my salary is improved, but after 1 year 5 times, everything is okay. I got married, life is gone in a very well mode. So my wife also had done that Pathik course, that day Pathik course.
Okay, so the initial 3 months Pathik course did quite a lot of good to you. First of all, it gave a twist to your career. So from politics, you went to IT.
Yes.
Got a good job, got married. That's very nice. And then after Pathik course, I think you joined Pathik Connect, right? So
Yes.
what made you join this advanced one year leadership Pathik Connect?
Seriously speaking, I didn't want to join this course. Means what happened those days? Sachin called me first, and Sachin said me that join this course. I said no. Then Mangesh sir called me. Mangesh sir said me that you should have to join. So I said, sir, no, please. No, you should have to join. So I said no. So what is the problem? So I said, Mangesh sir, 1 month back, means before that course has introduced at the first time. 1 month back, I had a paralysis stroke, right-sided paralysis stroke. I was 105 kg guy that time, and because of that paralysis stroke, life is at a different mode. I was growing in a professional mode, but my health created that suddenly spike, such a issue in between. So I took a treatment. After that, I started job and I went to the one Mumbai's best reputed doctor, Bachchiwale doctor, for the second opinion. He's a neurosurgeon. He said that you should have to do few things that I have been saying. Then and then only you can recover from that. First thing, you should have to do the exercises early morning. Second, you need to take a particular speed, breathe in and breathe out for at least 1 or 2 years. And third, whatever the medicines we are giving, these are only supportive medicines. You are not going to overcome the disease with only medicine. You should have to follow diet. And third, family, and don't expect too much in your life. Full stop, period. Means what? You should have to only handle your job. That don't expect in a job also everything. You should have to live your life normally for entire life. Otherwise, what can happen? You will might be, you are lucky that you reached there and you got saved your life. Otherwise, this is the left brain has totally, your left brain veins are totally blocked, and that can create a problem that you will lose your memory, you can lose your speech, or it can reach towards your death also. So you should have to take in that way. So that is the reason I explained some Mangesh sir that this is the issue, so I cannot come. Mangesh sir said no, join here, you will get new benefits, your new life you can start with the Pathik Connect, so please join me. So forcefully I said I don't have money. So he said that no worries, you can give it in a installment also. So in a such a way that I joined the Pathik Connect.
So as I understand, things were very difficult. Can you tell me, निखिल, ये जो आपको स्ट्रोक हुआ था, आपकी स्ट्रोक जब आया था तो आपकी उम्र क्या थी?
I was total 28 year old, newly married. 6 months later after the marriage, this thing happened.
How many months later after the marriage?
6 to 7 months.
How many months after the? Okay, so आप कह रहे हो 6-7 महीने शादी को हुए थे, लाइफ ब्रेकिंग अप, और उसी टाइम आपको 28 साल की उम्र में स्ट्रोक हुआ. स्ट्रोक होने के बाद आपको ये बताया गया कि आपको लाइफ एकदम सेफ मोड पे जीना है. That is what I understood.
Yes.
कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना है, बस एक्सरसाइज करनी है, मेडिसिन लेनी है, घर आके काम करके चुपचाप सोना है, फैमिली की तरफ ध्यान देना है, ज्यादा एम्बिशंस नहीं रखने हैं, लाइफ से ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना है, प्रोफेशनली भी आप आगे जाने की ज्यादा मत सोचिए. ऐसा करोगे तो लाइफ जी पाओगे, यदि ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर आपके जहाँ स्ट्रोक हुआ है उस वेन्स पे ज्यादा प्रेशर आ गया तो शायद आपकी मेमोरी लॉस होती है, यू कैन लूज योर होल लाइफ. सो बेसिकली कट ऑफ योर एम्बिशंस and sit tight and just manage your life. That's what was told. And at that time, Pathik Connect came in your life and you were forced to do the program. Tell me which concepts of these programs actually helped you.
Okay, so in Pathik, I will tell you from Pathik 1 and Pathik Connect also. So in a Pathik, first that research is really beneficial. That time my salary got multiplied 5 times. Then VUCs, I got a stroke, and to come out of the stroke within 15-20 days, I got discharged within 10 days, and I joined within 1 month. Why I joined? I never went in a victim mode. Means Samir said that don't go anything, whatever will happen in your life, we should not have to go in a victim mode. Whatever will happen. So that is in my mind, and we should have to take the responsibility of our life. And that stroke had happened because of me. I was eating outside food, not doing the exercises, doing the not proper sleep, is not following the basics that we should have to follow, no meditation, everything. So that is, I'm the responsible. So I never blame anybody. Why me? Not this kind of a thinking. So that helped me to come out of that. Then time seize is always superb concept that helped me. Mind seize, then conscious. These concepts help me in a Pathik 1 too much. And then Pathik Connect has introduced. And Pathik Connect, first very important thing, we work on why. And to work on why, we got a 1 or 2-3 months to find it out your why. Too deep thinking. Previous course, it was said by something you should have to follow these things, whatever we are saying blindly. This course here, we want to do it by our own. Find it out your own goal, own destiny, whatever what bothers you, whatever that we got told by the Samir. So I went to the village. I was going to the village and I was thinking in a silence mode that what is my why. So after finding out, I got my purpose of my life. Really strong motivation I got after that, what I want to do for the long period, that I got a purpose. Second, that acceptance of the reality as it is. It was painful because positive thinking, all those things, I was living in a totally different life. totally different. False lab, you can say that. Means I was a web developer. I know the .NET, but not deep knowledge I didn't have. I just know the backend side. Front end, I didn't know the knowledge. My salary is huge. I was able to manage my work, but then communication skills are worst. Whatever very important thing I need in a industry, that was the problem. 12 lakhs of a loan that time, and got married within a 6 months. I got a stroke, so health also not well. So that acceptance of a reality was painful, but I accepted. I know that where I am, and I know where I want to go. Then vision circle has introduced. And vision circle is mind blowing. Means why? Because we should have to develop ourselves in all aspects. Previously, I was growing in a professionally, but I ignored the health that impacted on my career. So here we should have to develop ourselves in all of the aspects: health, financial, social, then our professional relationship, all those things. We should have to develop that networking. So that is helped me to very much how to look towards a life in a broad aspect. What will create yourself capable in all of the aspect that will create your own luck to reach some destiny. Then decision making really mind blowing, means how to change your decisions, how to take the decisions, how to take instant decisions. I'm expert of that because I'm taking the each day new decisions to do my business. So that decision making in that. Then I can say that networking, Sudhir Naik sir story, mind blowing. I also started following that concept. My previous school friends, engineering friends, all get attached to me. My network is revived, and this is also helpful. Then strategic initiative, what we should have to do, how to revise our plan, how to do the strategic initiative, how to look into the small aspects, how to find it on small loopholes, and how to fill that, which can create a problem in the future. That also helped me. Then another concept, very superb, is that Vincis. Vincis is a really superb. That helped me superb. Give me a lot from that Vincis.
So excellent. आपने इतना कुछ कहा. You have said so many things for the audience. Let me just rephrase what all you have done, because I think it is a learning lesson to all the people who are listening this video, that as to what are the principles that actually helped you reach here. So the first principle you said was doing research helped you. So when you did the first Pathik leadership course, research helped you. आपने research किया, आपने जानकारी हासिल की, और खुद research करने के वजह से आपकी salary 5 बार बढ़ी. You got a better job. Second principle आपको पथिक कोर्स में help किया, that was VUSIS. That means हमारे crisis को कैसे face करना. So that helped you कि stroke होने के बाद भी 15 दिन में आप खड़े होके काम पे करने लग गए, because you could accept that fact and you could come out of your crisis very fast. So these were the two basic benefits of the Pathik leadership course, and then you moved on to Pathik Connect. So Pathik Connect में आपने Pathik course और Pathik Connect में दो अच्छी चीजें highlight की. The difference is Pathik course में आपको बोला गया था कि जो ये करना है ये करोगे तो फायदा होगा, सोचिए मत. पर Pathik Connect में आपको सोचने पे मजबूर किया. So you started thinking about your why. अपने life के why के बारे में सोचना शुरू किया. Your thinking improved, और उसके वजह से चीजें फिर आगे बढ़ने लग गई. Then आपको vision circle बहुत भा लिया, because vision circle पे all aspects of life पे अपने काम करना आपने realize किया. You have to work on your health, you have to work on your relationships, you have to work on your profession, you have to work on your finances. So that helped you tremendously. And सबसे important जिक्र किया आपने अपने आंसर में was acceptance of the reality. कि आप अपने सपनों में मत जियो, आप अपने fears में मत जियो, आप अपना life accept करो. और आपकी reality तभी बहुत ही it was not very positive, as I can say, because you talked about you had loans of 12 lakhs, then you were overweight, you had a stroke, so health was not good, relationship was an issue, career was an issue. Even if you knew .NET, you were not professionally abreast with whatever was happening in the market. So the reality was very, very difficult to accept, but फिर भी आपने उसको accept किया. That was the major thing. फिर आपको बाकी concepts help हुए, जो decision making, आपने decisions लेना शुरू कर दिए, decision making की practice करी, because of which you become very efficient at taking decisions. So these are the concepts of Pathik Connect जो आपको help किए. So the principles basically being research, acceptance of the reality, making your vision, thinking about your vision, making an action plan of your vision, and taking good and prompt decisions. So these concepts help you. अब हम सबसे important सवाल की तरफ आते हैं. Now let me tell you friends, for your information, that Pathik Connect जो हमारा 1 साल का एडवांस लीडरशिप कोर्स है, उसमें वी अपील एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट टू टेक अ विंसिस। तो विंसिस क्या है? विंसिस एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है कि उसके दौरान आपको लाइफ में, एक्चुअल लाइफ में, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग अबाउट सम पॉजिटिव इंप्रूवमेंट, सो दैट हमें और सबको पता चले कि आपने जो कंसेप्ट सीखे हैं हमारे साथ रह के, उसके आपके लाइफ में you have really benefited from it in your actual life. So in Pathik Connect, we have a different kind of wins. You think जो आप कंसिस्टेंटली हर रोज 75 डेज तक करोगे, तो आप कुछ भी चीज लीजिए जो आप करना चाहो, कोई भी एरिया ऑफ लाइफ जहां आप इंप्रूवमेंट करना चाहो, और आपको 75 डेज तक विदाउट अ सिंगल डेज ब्रेक वो चीज कंसिस्टेंटली करनी है. सो एंड दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. आई मीन सुनने में बहुत आसान लगता है कि अरे 75 डेज रोज करना कितनी, आई मीन व्हाट्स द बिग डील अबाउट इट. बट बिलीव मी, आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी, आपके थॉट स्ट्रक्चर, आपके हैबिट्स, इस सब में से to find your way and maintain consistency for 75 days is not very easy. तो 75 days में किस चीज में कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करने का विंसिस आपने चुना निखिल, और क्यों?
Okay, I have choose one Vincis that 5 tasks I will do each and every day. One task is
Five.
for my 5, yes, and each task for 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. Means I used to give more than that.
आप 5 चीजें करोगे 1 घंटे के लिए, और 75 डेज तक ये करोगे, ये आपने सिलेक्ट किया था विंसिस?
Yes, and total 5 hours. Each task for 1 hour. Per task 1 hour.
जस्ट टेल आपके 5 टास्क क्या है, उसके बाद बिफोर यू प्रोसीड आई वांट टू आस्क यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. हाँ बोलिए.
Okay, so first question is, the first task is that doctor said me that early morning exercise in a small sunlight, 1 hour of that exercise, 1 hour of the meditation, breathing,
Okay.
then thinking, chintan, something like that. Third, communication skills improvement. Fourth, that web application development studies, and fifth is artificial intelligence studies. So
Wow.
these tasks I choose for them.
तो 5 टास्क आप रोज करोगे 1 घंटे के लिए, हर एक टास्क 1 घंटे के लिए. सो यू सेड
Yes.
घंटा एक्सरसाइज करोगे, 1 घंटा आप मेडिटेशन और चिंतन करोगे, 1 घंटा आप अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इंप्रूव करोगे,
Yes.
1 घंटा आप अपना वेब डेवलपमेंट का स्टडीज करोगे, और 1 घंटा यू विल डू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस स्टडीज. सो ये अगर आपने 75 डेज किया, उसका मतलब ये होता है यू विल बी वर्किंग 75 डेज कंसिस्टेंटली ऑन योर हेल्थ, 75 डेज ऑन, यू विल डू मेडिटेशन फॉर 1 आवर. यहाँ तो लोगों को रोज 5 मिनट करना मुश्किल होता है. आप कह रहे हो कि आपने डिसाइड किया था कि आप रोज 1 घंटा मेडिटेशन करोगे, रोज 1 घंटा आप अपने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के ऊपर काम करोगे. तो आपको लगा नहीं कि विंसिस शुरू में ही इम्प्रैक्टिकल है या इम्पॉसिबल है? बिकॉज आई थिंक तभी भी आप जॉब कर रहे थे, राइट?
Yes.
आपको
Yes.
छुट्टी.
Yes. I was doing the job.
मुझे तो लगता है, सॉरी मैं आपको इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे तो ये विंसिस ही थोड़ा इम्पॉसिबल या इम्प्रैक्टिकल लग रहा है. बिकॉज आप सोचोगे तो बम्बई में रह के जब आपने विंसिस किया, शुरू किया, तब तो नॉर्मल टाइम्स थे, लॉकडाउन नहीं था. तो ऑफिस का ट्रैवल, और ऑफिस के ट्रैवल से रोज ऑफिस जाना, 8 घंटे ऑफिस में काम करना, घर आना, घर को संभालना, फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को संभाल के 24 घंटे में से 7-8 घंटे तो सोने में निकल जाते हैं. मतलब हिसाब लगाएंगे तो मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि आपने कैसे सोचा भी कि रोज आप 5 घंटे निकालोगे, वो भी 75 दिन के लिए, विदाउट अ सिंगल डेज ब्रेक. तो आपको लगा नहीं विंसिस इम्प्रैक्टिकल है?
Yeah, initially I thought it can practical. So what I done that I done the research concept. I use the research concept.
इंटरेस्टिंग. हाँ.
So I meet such a people who are really doing this kind of a hard work each and every day. So means what 4 hours of a sleep they are dealing with, and they are doing 20 hours of a work, 18-19 hours of work. I try to meet such a people.
Okay.
And I got one role model, 2 role models into that to do the research on that. And I asked them a questions that how did you manage that? So these are the questions. Whatever the question, our research plan is that only whatever the coming in our mind, fear, anxiety, whatever the questions we should have to do the research. I got a time from that person from my school, means my village. One teacher is here, so he has also doing such a hard work each and every day. So I asked himself. So I got a thing that I started believing that it is possible. Okay. Then second thing is that I should have to wake up early for that. I was used to wake up 6:30, 7:30 each and every day. So anyhow, I should have to wake up early in the morning. So what happened that one cat, a small cat, was at my house and she needs some milk those days. And she was 4 a.m. She needs some milk each and every day. So automatically that alarm helped me to wake up. And after waking up and giving the milk, I was used to sit for doing the studies. 4:30, 4:45, I was starting that studies. And after starting that study, I was started managing.
दिस इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. इससे बहुत सी चीजें सीखने वाली है निखिल. सो पहले तो आपने फिर दोबारा रिसर्च किया, बट बिफोर आई प्रोसीड आई वांट टू स्टिल अगेन आस्क यू कि रिसर्च करने के बावजूद, चलो किसी और ने ये किया, ये बात ठीक है, लेकिन आपने शुरू में कहा था कि आपके डॉक्टर ने आपको कहा था कि यू शुड लिव अ सेफ लाइफ एंड नॉट स्ट्रेच योरसेल्फ टू मच. आपको स्ट्रोक हुआ था और आप स्ट्रोक से जस्ट रिकवर हो रहे थे. आपको बोला गया था आप अपनी एक्सरसाइज करो, मेडिटेशन करो, अपना काम से काम रखो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमको एक मतलब वन ऑफ द डेज आल्सो इफ यू हैव हेडेक, हम सोचते हैं कि चला थोड़ा आराम कर लेते हैं. सो डिड यू नॉट थिंक कि चलो ठीक है, आपने पथिक कनेक्ट कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, ठीक है, बट ये 75 दिन 75 डेज इंस्पायर्ड ऑफ रिसर्च से हमको पता चलता है किसी और ने किया, बट किसी और को स्ट्रोक नहीं हुआ था. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो ओवरवेट एट दैट टाइम. सो ऐसे में ये आपको नहीं लगा ये बड़ी रिस्क ले रहे हो आप, 5 घंटा रोज ओवर स्ट्रेच हो जाएगा? बिकॉज बहुत से लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि यू नो आई मीन इट विल बी लाइक यू नो फटीक ज्यादा हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेच ज्यादा हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेस ज्यादा हो जाएगा. आपको ऐसे टाइम पे ऐसे नहीं लगा था?
No, Samir, because initially this kind of thoughts were coming into my mind, what will happen, everything. But I thought that when I was on a bed in a hospital, I thought that that day was the end of the day for the what I achieved in my life, nothing. So already I wasted 29 years. I was not able to reach somewhere. Yes, I reached somewhere, but now I thought that I should have to take a risk, whatever will happen. And that my why, whatever I work on a why, which was really motivation for myself. It is inbuilt motivation created in now. Whatever will happen, I will do that. And why I selected that Vincis, I would like to say you that first. Then you will get to that more brief idea. That first, health. If I will reduce the health, then I will recover from that stroke. Okay. So for that 1 hour exercise, the doctor mentioned you should have to do. Second, he said that meditation and breathing. Okay, I was 104 kg that time, 4.9, 105 kg, hospital, and after that, so I should have to do each and every day meditation and breathing, control on breathing and breathe out exercises. Okay, so then third is that what happened that my communications are really problematic. I'm saying you means after the 10th I got passed. I failed in the 11th. I was not going into the college also because there people are speaking in English. So that was the phobia of the English. After that, engineering, a lot of friends are Maharashtrian, Marathi, vernacular medium. So I got distinction, everything happened. But after the engineering, I was not going for the interviews because of a fear of the English only. So this was the phobia. And in a professional, I was going to the college, means calls also in my working life. And in a call, I was doing the analysis, everything technically, but presentation, I was not able to give to the people. And somebody is taking my work and showing to the client. These things are happening. So it was harming my growth. And my friends have salary 2-3 times than myself packages. I thought that why they have. So I done some research again. So this guy said that now the game is different. Here at a some level, you will get a salary on your technical knowledge, everything. The game is a international level. You should know the communication skills at a better way, especially in English. So you should have to learn that game. That third thing, web application. I said you the stroke. So if I want to do my work very efficiently, so I should have to polish my S. That one story we knows that. So means I should have to give the polish to my current knowledge. Then I can manage my work very easily, very efficiently. So that is the reason. And web development, I already said that I never upgraded old technologies. I was used to going with that work and I was managing on that. It also creates a stress if you don't know the knowledge and if you're solving the problems and anything, it is creating the stress on head in IT industry. So that also very well, I should have to face the current challenges, that should have to upgrade to myself. Whatever the challenges means technology, front end development, back end. Samir was means you are always saying that we should have to develop ourselves in all of the aspects in engineering also. If you don't know the slab, how to keep the slab, and you're saying that I keep that subject in options, then how will it work? So these things are keep in mind. So I keep that 1 hour study. And artificial intelligence study, the new technology is coming in the market. And if I want to do something contribution to the community world, so I can have, and mathematical knowledge I have very strong from the childhood. So I can use that problem solving ability using AI. So I can explore more that. So that is the reason I choose that. And one thought, one commit was there, one submit was in my company. I mean, some higher management people came there and they said that now new technology is coming into the market. So we are saying to the people upgrade, but people are not upgrading. So that one guy asks that, how can you deal with that situation if your employees are not upgrading to the technology which is emerging new in the market? What you are going to do? So he's higher management person. He was a VP, senior VP, whatever. He directly said that we will use the fire management then. If they will not upgrade themselves, they have only choice fire management. Right. So that loans, everything, then job, married person, and that is the vision. That is the reason. So this is the mandatory I should have to do.
Okay, so what I understand is this was not basically a motivational Vinces. आपने खाली motivate होके चलो कुछ करते हैं. Because most of the times people fail when they are just motivated. You know, motivated एक दो दिन में वो हवा चली जाती है and then we are back to normal. This was a very well thought out Vinces, very well analyzed Vinces. So your why was really very very clear. You knew exactly आप कहाँ खड़े हो, आपको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए क्या जाना है. आप बहुत एक important चीज आपने करी is when you were in the hospital, you thought that is the last day of your life and that helped you reevaluate कि मैंने लाइफ में आज तक कुछ नहीं किया तो आगे जो भी करना है, जो भी होगा, I will do it. So that strength, that confidence, and that confidence when you were at the least favorable stage in your life. Life में कुछ भी ठीक नहीं चल रहा था, जिम्मेदारियां सबसे ज्यादा थी. आप न्यूली मैरिड थे, आपकी वाइफ की जिम्मेदारी आप पे थी, आपकी हेल्थ ठीक नहीं थी, आपके ऊपर लोन्स थे. प्रोफेशनली यू आर नॉट अब्रेस्ट, नॉट ओनली टेक्निकली बट इवन विथ योर प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स वाइज. तो अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो ये सब चीजें करना बहुत जरूरी है. ये सोच के आपने ये विंसेस लिया. सो आई एम कन्विंस्ड नाउ how and why that motivation comes. So it's very rightly said that the why motivates. और आपको अपना why मिल गया, फिर आपने शुरू किया. और जो आपने वो कैट का एग्जांपल दिया, that was a very nice trigger. So a sense of responsibility was imbibed on you कि मुझे 4 बजे उठना ही है. Because see, सुबह उठने के टाइम हम सबका शायद यही, that may be the experience, I'm sure even the viewers will agree with me, कि एक बार हम उठ जाए और टॉयलेट में जाके ब्रश करना शुरू करे, फिर सोने का मन नहीं करता वापस. The only difficult part is getting out of that bed. And उसके लिए आपने बहुत अच्छी वो तरकीब सोची कि आपको that cat must be waiting for me, उसको जाके दूध पिलाना है और तो मुझे उठना ही पड़ेगा. तो आप 4:30 बजे उठने लग गए और काम शुरू किया. So very very interesting. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. So were you able to do this for I mean we'll go part by part, but let's go for the first 75 days. Then we will go into the how part. I mean आपने कैसे किया, each part पे आपने काम कैसे किया. एक व्यूअर पूछ भी रहे आपने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल के ऊपर काम कैसे किया, वो सवाल तक मैं आऊंगा. बट पहले आई वांट टू आस्क यू इज, क्या आप 75 days विदाउट एनी सिंगल डेज ब्रेक 5 घंटा ये कर पाए?
Yes, sure. 75 days not. Currently also doing 1 year and today is a 372 days.
So 372 days.
Yes. With 1 year finished. Yes, I finished the 1 year.
पांचों चीज पे आप काम करते आए हो?
Yes, without any break.
आपने ब्रेक नहीं लिया?
नहीं.
So this is unbelievable. This is absolutely unbelievable because 372 days मतलब इस दौरान कितनी चीजें हो गई? Last 370 days में बहुत सी चीजें होके चली गई. I mean, lot of things happened outside in the outside world, and of course during these lockdown happened. और लॉकडाउन के दौरान इधर लोगों की लाइफ यहाँ से वहां हो गई है, मगर इस दौरान भी आप रोज 5 घंटे इस पे काम करते रहे. 372 days every day giving to your personal development is something which is absolutely phenomenal, which is fantastic. So before we go into how each area, we'll come back, I think that we'll keep at the last as to हर एक एरिया में आपने कैसे कैसे काम किया. एग्जैक्टली हर एक एरिया में आपको फायदे कैसे हुए, दैट विल कम टू लास्ट, बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि 300, तो एज आई वाज सेइंग, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा फिनोमिनल है। लास्ट 370 में तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस हुए वर्ल्ड में।
Yes.
तो आपको बेसिकली क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आए, राइट फ्रॉम शुरू से लेके पहले 75 डेज में आगे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अभी ये लॉकडाउन के दौरान क्या हुआ? कैन यू टेल अस ऑल दीज चैलेंजेस एंड
Huge
प्रैक्टिकली?
challenge.
सॉरी?
Huge challenges I faced.
So we want to know, because I think even the viewers would be very very interested to know कि practical challenges आपने practically ये कैसे किया?
Okay, so I will tell you the long story. It will take a time, so be ready for that. First, okay. So first thing is that initially I was not used to wake up early, so I should have to make that habit to myself. So I started doing that habit few days ago before started the Vincis.
Okay.
And initially 21 days to help my neurons to get habitual to these things, my body neurons. Which I done a lot of research on army people, how they done, how they manage less sleep and everything. So they said that it's a myth that you need a 7-8 hours of a sleep.
Oh, is it?
Our body will get adapted to that automatically if you not believe on that. So 4 hours of a sleep is more than sufficient, 4 and 5 hours. So that to make that habit, 21 days are really challenging for me initially. In a Bhandup I was living, and my job is used to 9.5 hours. I need to attend the office, but usually I have been doing 9 hours. So reached from the Bhandup to Airoli, it takes 1 hour. Reaching, coming back from that Bhandup to, so I need to go through the auto, everything. That auto might be not on a time, train issues, anything was there, the challenges. So these challenges face, and after coming, traveling, doing a lot of work in office, I was used to get tired, too much tired. So that keeping the energy management was really challenging initially. I was living in a Bandup and Chol. I was living in a Chol system that there. And what happened that in front of my room, there is a one grinding machine. And okay, and they were started at 8 a.m. and till end 10 p.m. So that noise was hurting too much. So that started creating the ear pain. So to concentrate by avoiding that noise, already problem, it was a difficult for myself. Up down was difficult. Then office management was difficult. That time the work is manageable. Miss 9 hours, miss 6, 7 hours of work and break. Everything was getting that time. But I thought that usually what happens that new projects are going on, the pressure will come. How will I manage that? I have been only sleeping 5 hours of a day, but
Right.
5 hours of a day sleeping also not manageable. If I will do it and live in a Bhandup for a long period of time, so I should have to take a decision to shift to the Airoli. I'm doing a job in Airoli, so I took a decision. So during the shifting, how are you going to manage that day? That was the question in my mind.
Yeah.
So I finished my Vincis in early morning. I already have a lot of friends. I called my 12, 13 friends. Within 2 hours, I finished that shifting and everything. Then arrangement, everything had done by my wife. So that Vincis happened. Day after the shifting, it was very difficult for myself to wake up and do again and do Vincis. But still I managed because whatever will happen, I should have to do it. Whatever the challenge will come, I'm going to do that. That's it. I'm ready to face any consequences.
Wow.
Then third situation happened. Then after that, going to the Airoli. My parents are living in a Satara. Initially, I managed for 60, 70 days not to go village. Then friends' marriage function started. I should have to attend them also. So traveling throughout the night, managing the visit, it was difficult. I traveled 3, 4 times those days also to
This
the
was during
village.
the 75 days Vinces?
Yes. I travel 75 days 2 times, and after that I travel 2 more times.
How did you manage? I mean, night time you used to travel.
Yes, I was traveling night time, and I was used to do, after reaching at home 5:30, directly going for the exercise, then meditation, breathing, then communication, then at least 1 hour of the whatever tasks I was going to do, then attending some programs and coming back, and in evening I was doing the remaining, and then travel to the back.
You should divide the Vinces. Some part you used to do in the morning and some part in the evening after you came back from office.
Yeah, means I never keep it that I will do 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. I never keep it that.
Achha,
I keep the full time flexible, just 5 hours and
right.
1 hour for each part. So whenever just exercises first in the early morning, meditation and breathing, and remaining whenever the time will get 15, 20 minutes also I was doing that and reaching towards that goal.
So as I understand, first 2 hours were fixed every day in the morning when you get up. 1 hour of exercise is fixed, 1 hour of meditation is fixed, and the rest 3 hours used to be like 15 minutes now, 15 minutes, baad mein 30 minutes, but total it used to be 3 hours.
Yeah, but what usually I've been doing 1 hour, not leaving anything without finishing. But sometimes happens.
Yeah.
So I'll say, tell you the challenges what happened then.
Yeah.
So what happened then? Project pressure is going to come. New project. I got highlighted.
Which is wonderful. See, because sorry to interrupt you, but as I have seen, most of the participants anticipate everything is going to be smooth, even in Vinces. And then they give excuses कि ये तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था, ये प्रॉब्लम आएगा, और अचानक ये प्रॉब्लम आ गया, मैंने तो सोचा था सब कुछ स्मूथ हो जाएगा. But here I can see that you have gone one step further, that anyways life was difficult. You had made a plan of doing for 5 hours every day, but you had anticipated things like extra work can come in the office. And then if extra work comes in the office, how do you manage that? And for which you took a proactive step of shifting your house. Now, this is really, really phenomenal. So sorry, continue. So this anticipation.
That was the one thing I got from the Pathik Connect. Anticipate the future things, that
Yes.
what can, because this is very crucial for myself, then it is not possible to manage.
Yeah.
Okay. So then after that work, what I highlighted in a team for, he is able to do the work very well. Already my performance was very okay in the office. Communication was creating problem, but I highlighted, and I got a chance to go for the abroad, Hungary, for a short period of time. Another is that my friend is working in a Tech Mahindra. He said that I will give you the 40% hike. Come and sit here.
Oh, wow.
On the basis of
This was during the 75 days of Vinces?
First was that Hungary opportunity during the 75 days, and at the end 80 days or something, that second opportunity I got during for the job.
So going abroad, I mean, see, actually, frankly speaking, this is a very important question, because you had mentioned in your initial research that why you took communication skills was you have understood that the game has been different now, and you said that technical skills matter to a particular level, but after that, technical skills utna hi important hota hai how you present yourself, particularly because you have to go and present yourself in front of international clients, and your English was weak. Yes. So you worked all this, and now here there was an opportunity. जिसके लिए किया था वो सब तो हो गया था. You got an opportunity to go to Hungary, which was, I think, for a couple of months.
Yeah. Yes, 1 month, around 1 month.
How did that Hungary trip go? How was that opportunity? Your dream was accomplished.
Yes. So I never went there. I got opportunity, but because I said no, because I learned very.
You said no, you don't want to go.
Yes. I don't want to. I said no to the job offer also in a Pune Tech Mahindra company
job offer of 40% hike. You said no to.
Yes.
This is very interesting and intriguing. Why did you say no to Hungary? You always said that you wanted to present to international clients, and here you had an opportunity to go abroad. Why did you say no?
Because I don't want to satisfied with the short-term goals. My goal is a long-term, and I'm thinking towards taking the step towards the long-term. And if I will go that can break my Vinces and consistency. Whatever the technical things I need to improve in myself, the excellence I want to get, that will take a time, at least more time. So if I will break, then everything will break. And what's the use of? So we should have to say to know such a small things, whatever the appreciation getting, whatever the getting. So we should not have to get our level. We should have to keep our legs on our this earth.
I know all this. This sounds too philosophical, but I am really confused, because I'm confused from the viewer's point of view, because this is what we teach every participant, but not every participant actually takes it up. But my question here is, did you have any pressure from your family? कि चलो Hungary का opportunity मिल रहा है, जाओ. Were they paying you any extra for this Hungary trip other than yourself?
Yes, they were paying me. They were paying me extra. So something, some dollars, I forgot that amount, $5, something that dollars, I don't know the amount now.
$5,000.
Something, approx, I don't know that, sorry for that. But that time I said no, so my family is not going opposing me. They are always supporting me. So whatever the decision you should have to take.
Okay, so Hungary I can still understand, but now when you are talking about getting a job in Mahindra Tech, now again your why was to improve your skills, to improve your presentation skills, technical skills. बिकॉज हमको आगे बढ़ना है और 40% हाइक बाय एनी स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कम नहीं होता है.
No, my
तो
why.
फिर भी यू
Okay. So my why is not improve only skills. I should have to some innovate, contribute to the world using my technical knowledge. So for that, at least I need to take 10, 20 years of efforts each and every day. So that then I can add the value to the world in an innovation level. Anything that is my some dream. Okay.
So
So
your vision is absolutely clear.
clear.
What you
So
want
my
to do
vision
is
is clear.
absolutely clear.
So I'm not getting satisfied with the small things and everything that I want to take it immediately or whatever.
So what I'm
So
hearing is that if you had taken up that Mahindra Tech job of 40%, what you have in your mind, that learning would have stopped.
uh, that might be because I have settled here. I'm living in Airoli, so shifting to the Pune, that job in the Pune, so that can break the consistency. Once this consistency will break, that it is not going to happen because उस दिन तो break हुआ था ना रे, छोड़ दे आज भी नहीं करते, ऐसा attitude आ जाएगा. इसलिए I said no.
So that means you have in your mind a clear picture कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाने के लिए क्या करना है, you know, and उसके लिए you took this Vinsys. So Vinsys was actually just an excuse to go on that path.
Yes.
It was not to do satisfy the program conditions of Pathik करने के मुझे 75 days करना है. It was actually like we taught in the program कि आपने 10 साल का विजन बनाया है, 10 साल का विजन आपके दिमाग में क्लियर है और उस विजन की तरफ आप रोज जा रहे हो. And you are absolutely focused on that. Nothing can sway you away from this vision. That's what you are talking about. Am I right?
Yes, means what happened that after 75 days, I started getting the appreciation from the Patik. Means I got an award. I used to go to the give the interviews, means speeches in Hayat and everything. But I started thinking, means this thought process started coming that now we reach somewhere. We are getting an offer. We can go to Hungary. Our communication has developed. We can speak in front of later.
Yeah.
So we should have to stop. But
Yeah.
I know where I want to reach. My goal is clear. So I don't want to stop there on those appreciation, whatever. That is the reason I keep doing that. Yes, this phase also come that we are getting the appreciation, then we can lose our consistency. But I know that. And you said one example that impacted on me too much. So that Michael Phelps.
Can you remind me?
Michael Phelps.
Michael Phelps. Okay,
Yeah, that was the example. So I will say you that how that helped me example in a future. So after that, work pressure has started. New project, very critical project. I got highlighted already said, so that they knows that he can deal with that project. That higher management were looking into that. So call used to at early in the morning, and it is going to happen late in the morning. So that work pressure started. So I wish to sleep 3 hours, 4 hours in a situation, but I want to do it because I don't want to break. I know that this time will pass and I will get some relaxation after that, but I want to maintain the consistency anyhow, because if you said that consistency can defeat any talent in the world is the reality. So and that is the reason I keep it doing that China project, whatever that I got assigned to, keep hard working. I was used to tired, still taking 5-10 minutes of a nap and getting ready for that. In between, I got the support of my wife also too much. Then coronavirus has came. So, yes. So I used to, for improving the communication, I used to see the international news channels and everything, how they are speaking, how they are communicating to improve that level, world-class level. So I used to see that things. And after that, I know that first patient identified in Kerala those days. From that day, I started predicting that this situation is going to come here also. So we should have to do
even before
the
Corona came. Achha, okay.
in a Kerala first case I did within a 15 days that Delhi to
You
Mumbai.
started preparing for that scenario when the first case in India was detected.
Yes, but I thought that it will get control. Then second time, first patient identified in Mumbai. So I know that it is not going to control in the Mumbai at all, because that time trains were not stopped and everything. Mumbai has too much crowded people. So now we should have to take a decision for something that how and we got a work from home. I'm very lucky for that from my company. So work from home that time, and that time the what happened used to that discussion were happening in the government 5%, 50%, everything. We knows that it is going to close completely for at least 1 month. So I took a decision. I don't want to stop my exercise. Gyms are burned. Like walk I cannot go. Lockdown is going to happen. So I should have to go to the village. So in a lockdown, I
You shifted to your village. Okay.
village because travel, and during that period also I keep consistently doing my studies and exercise because look, he said me at least you should have to do the 2 years the exercises and meditation.
Doctor.
And he said that then you can get cured, otherwise medicines are only supportive.
Okay.
Because blockages are there, means homocysteine is getting created in my body because the fats, eating wrong eating habit, and once it started creating, it is going to use to create. So to stop that creating, medicines are not going to help you. So
can I ask you one question at this point of time?
hmm.
So you have said 370 days. It's very phenomenal. I mean, you said sometimes you had only 2-3 hours of sleep, but you kept on pushing yourself because your why was clear. Your working motivation, vision is clear. Acceptance, सब कुछ समझ में आया. But during all this, you had a stroke. Okay, so how did you cope up with your health? Did your health deteriorate during this process? What is the story on the health front? Can you just tell us about that?
So I done the research. I said you that I done the research.
Yeah.
Okay. So means what we should have to make the habitual to our neurons, then our automatically body will manage. Okay. And our exercises are really giving the energy, controlling everything. Our meditation and breathing is controlling our energy throughout the day, maintaining the, and a lot of the energy is wasting in unwanted things. So first one thing I done that day is that I stopped doing the first very important thing I done that day is that I stopped using Facebook. I reduced the yes, because unwanted things were happening, that unwanted political debates where we don't want to go there, but I was used to go automatically by looking at this. I was not used to use the WhatsApp, but I installed because to improve the network according to the course. So that automatically the focus is only on my wins and my job and my family. I start thinking about all other things. So automatically that energy is getting maintained. No negativity, everything. So, but after coming to the village, will I tell you?
Yes, please continue.
So after coming to the village, the lockdown happened, and work from home situation is a total different. Why? Because if you think that here the electricity problem were happening, sitting arrangement is not there. Means used to we do work from office, 41 degrees Celsius of the temperature that day. AC is not there. So my laptop started creating that fan. All of us know who knows has the laptop started creating the noise. Might be chance that laptop will crack. Then I need to go to the Mumbai, and how will I go? That is the fear. So entire lockdown is there. Electricity is going between. Work pressure has happened in such a 12 hours of work we were doing that time, because work from home, everybody, a lot of people are doing work from home. They knows that what challenges we need to face during the work from home. All of us knows that. So calls, doing the small work also extending too much because nobody is getting on time. These things happen that time. Initially it was too much pressure. Then second is that our project was critical. So that things were started happening. So that project we delivered successfully, no problem for that. Then what happened that after the delivering the project, the credit on the taking of the credit of that, and some people in the organization, all of you knows that they used to think that we should have to same behave in our life in a same ways that we used to behave, like giving the respect to unwanted people for like that. So we have the values. I have the values. I said that I am not going to break my values. So that started creating the problems in office teams. Means that with the problems started with the management. Everyone has a problem, can have the problems with the management. So this started creating. So that is also negativity started coming. In village, 41 degree temperature. I didn't have a sitting arrangement to help. Different kind of a problem started sitting. I was not able to sit properly, neck pain, everything. So to sit 15-20 hours is not that easy for myself. Then what used to happen that I said you that previously what happening that I was getting the motivation from the Patik. I was going to give the speeches, appreciation, everything that initially I started getting the motivation. But this phase has came, means what you said, Michael Phelps, that he was used to do the 6 hours of the consistent swimming practices for 10 years. He done that. And because of doing this practice, he gone through the various phases in his life. And he had an accident before his match, still he won the 3 golds. So that example is in my feet. So what happened that usually that time getting the over motivation or motivation, now demotivation started coming. Here in Mumbai used to what happened that you are doing exercise, you are fit, you are getting the appreciation. Here all people are fit automatically, so no appreciation anything. And then used to what happened that team problems in the teams also started that time. Some kind of it used to happen on the credits and everything. That problem started, so that negativity started coming. That already said that, so yeah, that I am not appreciation getting, so productivity, it is started impacting on productivity. So challenge is that I need to maintain the consistency in such a phase also. The only thing in mind is that phases are going sometimes high and low. I need to go through these phases. That will develop my skills too. So these are the challenges I face. In between, my ear pain started. I would like to show that ear pain, because I said you that noise and concentrating, hot temperature, fan, everything, no AC, no sitting arrangement. After lockdown open, I done that proper now, so it is manageable now. But so that started creating the ear pain. So that was also challenging. In between, also within a 1 year, I got sick 1 or 2 times. That also problem in a such a way that I.
How's your health now?
So what happened that after the ear pain, I went to the doctor and I said that I have ear pain where I had a paralysis there. So I went there and he said that, no, Nikhil, we should have you done the MRI? I said I done pre-MRI. I never done the post-MRI after the paralysis stroke. So he said that you should have to do it because they have a commission from those scanner machine and everything. So he said you should have to. So I went there, I done the angio scan, I done the that double scan, full MRI, whatever the scans, I have the report. Currently, I never keep here. So after that MRI, I was worried what will report will come, but those reports are really mind blowing. Means that entire I got cure perfectly, no blockages, no any problem.
Oh, wow.
I got cure with such a challenges. Means with handling such a challenges also, my MRI is total cure. My health is really nice. I reduce the. I will tell the benefits. These are the challenges I face. And
yes. Now tell us the benefits. Yes.
Okay. So benefits, I accordingly health initially 104. I reached to 80 kgs, means for 100 to 5.
24 kgs.
24, 25 around.
And your brain stroke problem is completely gone.
Gone. Yes.
You
Gone.
felt like 10 on 10.
Yes. Yes. And with that, made the habit of a 5 hours of a sleep.
All
Yeah,
these
5
hours of sleep.
Yeah, nothing happened on the brain at all. Ear pain, why ear pain was happening? I was chewing from one side, so that creating the strain here.
Okay.
So I started. Doctor said another doctor said start chewing from two sides. That it also reduced now. That I'm able to manage my energy throughout the day. The biggest benefit is the decision making. How to change the decision, and how to maintain the consistency in various phases. Mental toughness, very much, means don't get excited, don't get too much demotivated.
I think meditation must have helped you for that.
Yes. Meditation, awareness, accept the reality, that helped me too much. Then context switching, means doing the current work, then switch to do work, that help to brain to switch from one content to another. That development had happened. These are the help points. And my life is got designed in such a way that now what happened used to that we have the 2 days leave used to, but weekend 2 days, Saturday, Sunday leave. So those days, weekends are coming, each and every weekend coming, and I was thinking that we should have to do this weekend. I will do the study this weekend. Such a way that I passed 2 years, 2, 3 years in a career. I was not learning, and these weekends were coming and going in such a way. I was getting bored. That how it is time is getting wasted. So now I'm able to use my time very effectively now. Really effectively, I'm able to use time. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time getting, I'm using for my growth, because I got a vision. I got a why, long-term vision. So that one help I got, a strength I got. Then the communication skill, I was not able to speak, but I gave the speech. Now this call entirely in English. So that level I reached. Then I was giving the KTs to the knowledge transformation to the Chinese client, Hungarian client, US client, all of the clients, and they are giving them a feedback that you explain very well to us. This
Wow.
is one thing.
So
That-
that dream is accomplished. You can present to international clients and you are getting compliment from them that you're communicating well. That's very
and
nice.
That,
Superb.
and I was used to go to the Patik introductory sessions also, to the Katik to give the speeches in front of the people. That also, and there also I was getting feedback. You explain very well. So that level I reached. Then for the that benefits means for the communication skills, I learned 4,000 words each and every day. I was reading the 20 words, learning that 4,000 vocabulary words I learned. I read 3 4 books. I read multiple half an hour of the articles I read those days. So I think somebody is disconnected.
Hello, I'm back. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. So can we continue? Yes,
Yes, we
from the
can. So I
benefits of the communication.
yeah, communication. Yes.
So I used to read the articles on the Times of India and a lot of newspaper, at least 15 20 minutes. And I used to do the mirror practices each and every day. For 1 hour at least, I used to do the mirror practices for the.
What do you should say? What do you should speak in the mirror?
So I watched the BBC videos, 5 minutes, and I was trying to mimic those. I read the articles. I was trying to mimic those. I whatever the technical I'm learning each and every day, I'm trying to explain these things to myself. So this okay. So means in front of a mirror. So just confidence building, nothing. So make expression, everything building. That was the one way. Now I will come to the point of the artificial intelligence.
Yes.
So in artificial intelligence, I finished 11 Udemy courses. With the certification of the Udemy, I have those. I can share with you
Wow.
all of it.
11 programs you did on artificial intelligence.
Yes.
In 1 year.
So
Wow.
will I tell a list or it is okay that 11? So,
It's
so
okay. You can tell us the list quickly. Yeah.
yes. So then machine learning, deep learning, then computer vision, then artificial intelligence application, machine learning applications, then deep learning applications that augmented search algorithm, world model, and deep reinforcement learning, then computer vision, deep natural language processing, how to optimize the AI, such a highly advanced concepts I learned in Udemy. And then with these things also there are many things that PyTorch, mathematics for the AI, because I have been doing from 1 year, so a lot of time I have. So PyTorch, mathematics for the AI, then revision of all of the things, implement it practically, experiment on some things, think on that, how can use in the real world. So in a such a way that I done the study for that. So now you will say that for artificial intelligence, I learned those things in a very much detail. So that day I gave the interview in a company now. So I got added to the AI community in my company now. But he is about to give me into the that project. But current project is a critical, so I'm stuck here. So that one achievement in AI. So whatever I learned Python, my wife is a AI developer. She is working in IIT Bombay as an internship. So I am able to help her in her work practically. So that is one thing is benefited. Then in a web development, I learned 20 plus things with implementation. Each thing I learn in a web development and everything, 2 3 times. I learn front end technologies, Angular, JavaScript, jQuery, all those things. .NET, LinkU, Entity Framework, all of the things in a .NET. Then design patterns like advanced concepts, software architectural patterns, software architectures, real world applications. Then database side, SQL tuning, Microsoft Business Intelligence, a lot of Redis database, Docker, Kubernetes, cloud platform also. Whatever is there in web development new, I'm learning that. I learned that, experimented that, more detail, revise that. Whenever I'm getting the time, I'm doing that study. So these are the such achievements I done. So if I
phenomenal. So on all 5 fronts you have phenomenal achievements. You can't even say that I just coped up. So on the health front, you are now absolutely slim and because of the meditation. Sorry, you want to say something?
Yeah. So what happened that I used to do web development and AI. So
Yeah.
AI is independently cannot do anything. So web development is necessary. So advanced concepts upgraded too much level at the AI. I'm very confident now. And then web development also together. I've been thinking how can we innovate that thing. So doing the thinking also, that the thinking power also improved in a technological base. Initially, this videos of the different kind of a people that from the Udemy, their language was not understandable. English, different tune for the different countries we know. So now these languages started understanding. These courses are able to. I am able to understand their languages, and I started accordingly doing the study for that. So these achievements I done because of it.
These are phenomenal. That's what I was thinking. I was saying on all five fronts, because of meditation, you are able to maintain the highs and lows in life. You
Yes,
are able to keep your stability. Your health is good. Your tumor is gone. I mean, sorry, your brain stroke issue is vanished.
yes,
And on top of that, your communication is improved. And I think nobody in the world has got a business to judge how good you are at communication when your clients are saying that you are explaining beautifully to them and your efforts are phenomenal. It takes tremendous amount of clarity to know that I am not mad and I'm just standing in front of the mirror every day and practicing. A normal man would say कि यार इस सब का मेरे को क्या कब फायदा होने वाला है क्या मालूम. I am in the village standing in front of the mirror and I'm just talking things which I've read in the article. इसका कब मेरे को फायदा होगा. But the kind of conviction you had, the vision that you have is something which is phenomenal. So I think for now, job security must be out of window, right? For you,
yes, yes, yes.
you can
Our
easily
jobs,
get
yes, yes.
easily get the kind of job that you want with the kind of salary you want anywhere you want in the IT field. You're working in which company, by the way, now?
Currently, I'm working in a Capgemini.
Capgemini. But
Capgemini Airoli.
you can shift anywhere you want.
Yes, yes.
Because you have got tremendous amount of knowledge, but you think this is a good platform for learning, so you're sticking here, which is
Means I got a stability here. Means what happened? I do the work from last 2 years here, so that work is stable. Means I can predict that this amount of hours, 9 hours, I want to do. Some time is also fixed. These guys knows that in this period only he's going to do work. He's not going to extend late night everything. Such things happen here.
so
So I got to adjust it. Means
really phenomenal. I mean, at this age, to have this kind of clarity of thinking, because if you remember, always I say that in all Pathik programs, our main aim is to help people how to think clearly. And if you can really think, you have really grasped Pathik Connect very well about thinking of the long term, having a vision very clear. In fact, we are having the present batch of Pathik Connect on, and they are about to start their Vincis next month. And I'm going to make it compulsory for each one of them to listen to this interview. You cannot start your Vincis. Yeah, because this is phenomenal. I mean, the way you are doing, it's not the Vincis. You have really understood the long-term thing.
yes.
So I would want to ask you one last important question, which I'm sure even the viewers must be thinking of. Okay, what is your vision? You have been talking about, I really say I'm working for the vision. I'm saying no all to all these things. So what is that vision that you have thought about? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Okay. So I want to start my own something startup like that. And
Okay. Okay.
okay. And not like unsuccessful that you know the technical, you don't have a communication, you are relying on somebody. All aspects I need to develop. So that reason I have been working. I want to start up in such a way that something innovative, some innovation which contribute to the world, which can contribute to the world. That is the vision. So to develop that thinking capability, I should have to learn too much. Then I can think in that technical way. What used to think that politics and all the different things are coming in a brain. So that I need to keep out and just a technological thinking I want to develop. That is the view of my Vincis. Means whenever I start thinking about technology in normal way, start speaking about a technology, that is the achievement. Then I will think that I reach something.
So you are really using, I mean, I'm so proud of you about your thinking. You are using your platform given by your current company very well to develop yourself for, and I would like to name this interview, it's more about becoming rather than achieving.
Yes.
Focusing on what you're becoming as a person rather than what you're achieving. So achieving is coming on its own, but your major focus is on becoming the kind of person. So if you remember, we have this slide in, I think the introductory for ICANN or for Pathik Leadership course, that you have to be the person who will make your vision come true. And you are actually working on being the person to make your vision come true, where you are not focusing on what you're getting, but you're focusing on what you're becoming. And to maintain that consistency for 10 years is a phenomenal time. But if you ask me, you are one of the most wisest souls or one of the most wisest students I've had, because at 28, you are doing this. So by 38 also, if you reach there, it's going to be a beautiful journey all throughout. So it's not as if you're waiting कि तभी मैं जब मेरा स्टार्टअप शुरू होएगा तभी मेरा ड्रीम अकम्प्लिश होगा. Even this journey you're enjoying on all fronts, on family front, health front, learning front, earning front. The insecurity is gone out of window. So these 10 years are going to be beautiful journey of learning and earning. And then of course comes the bigger cream on the cake or icing on the cake, as you say, when you're going to start something on your own, you're going to contribute something. So this is a beautiful journey of UNIP that I think it's going to inspire everybody, where you don't have to sacrifice the present for a better future, but you're capitalizing on your present to create a better future. So it's phenomenal learning over here. There are a few questions I have before we end. So one is, how did you work on your communication skills? And I think you have already elaborated on that. The second question comes from Nitish Nayak, which says, while traveling, how did you manage to exercise and meditate?
I was traveling from the Airoli. The bus is coming to my village at 10:30, and I'm reaching here 4:35 5 a.m. And after 5 a.m. I was in a sleep. During the travels, I was taking 2-3 hours of sleep, and then I was studying that whatever the wins is. But strength has developed. Means what happened, that anything will happen, I need to achieve that. That's it. This is my vision. Whatever will happen, I know.
Wonderful. So Nikhil, this has been absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. It's unthinkable, the way you have grasped the whole Pathik philosophy. From Pathik course, the leadership course, you have picked up research, and the various examples you have given of research and anticipation, which is a wonderful art which only visionaries have, which you have picked up. And then you come to Pathik Connect, where I think all the aspects you have grasped absolutely well, right from the vision antenna, how to create a vision for 10 years, then talking about finding out your why, practicing decision making, picking up networking, and then of course the icing on the cake was the Michael Phelps consistency and Vinces. So you have picked up these things so well, and you have not just picked them up, you have understood them. You have understood the crux of what we are trying to teach, and you are practicing it in your life, where you are easily able to say no to things which don't fit into your vision. So this is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm really proud of you. And I think this is going to be a great inspiration, and this is a story in making. So at regular intervals, we'll keep on meeting. And maybe after 10 years, we would have a startup where we would say all this started 15 years ago. When I was overweight, I had a stroke, and life seemed hopeless. But then on, I dreamt of something, and I'm working on it. So absolutely phenomenal. And thank you so much for your time, Nikhil. And we are very, very proud of you. We learned a lot of things. At least I have picked up a lot of things here before. Because see, all that we teach are concepts. But the major problem with people is, how do we actually put these concepts into practice on a day-to-day basis? And I'm sure this last 1 hour must have given a lot of insights to people. So there is one more question which says, I'm really inspired by your interview. It's from Vivek Vichare. I will have to relook my vision and my plans. I'm in Pathik Connect batch 2. So I think that's what I said. Okay, I'm going to make it compulsory for each of the people in batch 2 to view this, because they're about to start their Vinces. And I'm sure we are going to have phenomenal studies coming like this, case studies coming like this by the end of this Vinces. So once again, thank you very much, Nikhil Katkar. And I'm really, really, really very proud of you with your humility. I'm sorry that I robbed this country from a politician in making. Otherwise, you would have been a politician. But frankly speaking, at that time, I didn't feel that you are cut out to become a politician. And it doesn't matter who you are, as long as you contribute towards the society in a better way. And that's how you become a unit. And you have a clear plan of doing that, banking on your strengths. Okay.
Yes.
Because what you're doing now is banking on your strengths. I don't think politics was one of your strengths. So I have seen you grow from a very, very long time. And I think this association is going to be for a longer time together. In Pathik, we know most of the Pathiks for 20 years and 30 years. And when your startup starts and when your startup becomes actually successful, uh, that time I hope that you would give me your autograph. Okay. So, so I'm going to keep this video as a promise that you're going to give me your autograph at that time. If you don't give me, if you don't recognize me, I'm going to show you this video.
Okay.
So thank you so much, Nikhil, for your time. Wishing you all the very, very best for your future. Keep in touch with us, and we are going to be together for a very, very long time to come. Viewers, thank you very much for being here. This would be kept, this video would be uploaded on YouTube so that everybody else can also see it. Next Sunday, we will come here with one more Pathik who's going to tell us how he did it. We have a line of them. There are people there are people who are entrepreneurs. There are people who are doing jobs. There are various kind of Pathiks we have. So next Sunday, we'll have one more story. So come in here again at 11 for the next interview. Nikhil, you wanted to say something before we sign off?
Yes, so I just want to say to people, if they have something confusion about, so just do it and then see the magic. Do the business and then see the magic. And another thing is, just think about how will I do for the today, not think about of the future moment.
That's a very, very powerful tip. That's a very, very powerful tip. कल के बारे में चिंता मत करो, आज का करो. So thank you very much. Thank you, viewers, and we will see you next Sunday here at 11 a.m. for the next interview. This is Samir Surve signing off, and thanks a lot, Nikhil. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Take
Bye.
care. Take care.
Okay.